All right, welcome fam to the Chapter 1920 multiple choice quiz. As always, pause this video in between questions while you ponder your selections and use your strategies to eliminate wrong answers for sure and cut down your number of choices. So here we go. Question number 1. The policy of not taking sides in wars between other nations is known as A. Realism, B. Idealism, C. Neutrality. Question number 2. The belief that international relations should be guided by pragmatic self-interest practical goals such as national defense and access to resources is known as A. Foreign policy, B. Realism, C. Neutrality. Question number 3. The set of guidelines and practices that a nation follows in its relations with other nations is A. Foreign policy, B. Realism, or C. Idealism. Number 4. The belief that morals and values should influence international relations is A. Foreign policy, B. Idealism, or C. Neutrality. Question number 5. Which of the following newspaper headlines best illustrates yellow journalism in 1898? A. 266 killed in USS Maine accident. B. USS Maine sinks in Havana Harbor. Or C. USS Maine destroyed by Spanish treachery. Number 6. Where did the first fighting occur in the Spanish-American War? A. Florida, B. Cuba, C. Philippines. Number 7. Which of these factors increased U.S. public opinion in favor of a war with Spain to free Cuba? A. The publication of the Delome letter, B. The popularity of the Yellow Kid cartoons, or C. The passage of the Teller Amendment. Number 8. Distant ports controlled by the United States to resupply Navy ships were called A. Coaling stations, B. Rest areas, or C. Far-off fueling depots. Number 9. Approximately how long was the Spanish-American War? A. 3 months, A. 3 days, B. 3 months, or C. 3 years. And number 10. How did the outcome of the Spanish-American War change U.S. foreign policy? A. It shifted U.S. policy towards unilateralism. B. It shifted U.S. policy towards non-colonialism. Or C. It shifted U.S. policy towards imperialism. Okay, when you're done, bring me your quiz. Thanks so much.